Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you two ways on how you can transfer from Binance to PayPal. Now the first method is for people who live in United States, and the second method is going to be for people who live anywhere in the world. Okay, so if you live in United States, let's start with people who live in United States. Now what you guys need to do to transfer crypto or your money from Binance to PayPal, you want to just first you want to go to PayPal and you want to open your PayPal app. You can do the exact same steps on your iPhone or Android phone, and then after that you want to click on finance. Okay, now if you are using Android, like if you are using the app, you will see finance at the bottom. Just click on it and select crypto. Okay, now as you can see, these are the cryptocurrencies that are offered by PayPal. Now you can easily send, for example, Ethereum or Bitcoin from Binance to your PayPal account. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how you can do that. Now when I go to your Binance account and you want to click on the account in the top, as you can see, your account, click on in the top, and then as you can see, you want to click on withdraw. Now here you just need to select the coin that you want to send to your PayPal. For me, I would select here Bitcoin, as you can see. And after that, you want to enter here the address and the network. Now to find the address, you want to go to your PayPal, and here just go to this page where you can just click on finance, click on crypto, and then you want to find a coin that you want to send from Binance to your PayPal. Which for me, I would select PayPal here. As you can see, after you are on this page, now you want to get the wallet address. You just need to click on these two arrows here. Okay, as you can see, two arrows. Click on them, and you want to click on receive. Okay, you want to click and then click on receive, and you will receive a code. Your wallet address, and then you want to enter it here. Okay, that's exactly how you can. After you enter it here, you want to select the network. Okay, so I'm going to go with Bitcoin. They will give you guys there on PayPal the correct network. Select it here. Okay, make sure you select the correct network, otherwise the funds will be lost. And here you want to enter the amount, and then you want to click on send. Okay, that's exactly how you can do this. Now if you live outside of the United States, what you guys need to do is to use Ethereum. As you can see, you want to use Ethereum. Okay, so this website will help you transfer from Binance to PayPal easily. Okay, so I'm going to log in into my account on Ethereum. Okay, now I'm going to use my Google account. Now after you are guys on your Ethereum, of course you will have to verify your account. You want to add your ID and yeah, all the information, your name. Now after that you want to click here. It says like here, as you can see, add. Now after guys you click on add, click on start now, and here you want to add Binance money to your Ethereum account. Okay, you want to select here Binance Pay. You want to enter the amount that you want to send from Binance to your to your Ethereum, so that you can send from Ethereum to PayPal easily. Okay, so you want to enter here the amount, click on continue, and the funds will be sent to your Ethereum. After they are sent, you want to go back, you want to go to home and click on withdraw and click on start now. And here you want to select, you want to here click on search payment methods, and you want to search here for PayPal. As you can see, PayPal balance should be the minimum amount to transfer is $15. So you want to select here the first method, and you want to select here the amount you want to transfer now from Ethereum to your PayPal. Now for me, I'm going to transfer, for example, 200. Okay, from Ethereum to your PayPal. This is the amount you will receive inside your PayPal. After, as you can see, this is the time it will take, which is 9 minutes. Click on continue, and that's exactly guys how you can send from Binance to PayPal. You send to Ethereum. Okay, first you send to Ethereum, and then after you send to Ethereum, then you will be able to send from Ethereum to PayPal. Okay, like after you want to add from Binance to Ethereum, you want to click on add. After you add the money, then you want to click on withdraw and withdraw the money to your PayPal. But the fee is going to be a little bit higher. It's like $2 for $100. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next one. Have a good day. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or anything like that, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video.